lost away from gold though, dude. I've lost a lot of rating. Which sucks, because I feel like I've been playing well in these games. I was balling out as Zen last game. You were balling out as Soldier.
It happens.
Yeah.
I could heal Earth from here. How far my orb goes.
Is there any way... Like, what is the escape velocity of the moon? Like... You're an aerospace engineer. What is it?
Definitely a lot more.
A lot more than what?
Alright, let's go.
It would probably need like to double its velocity.
What would?
The moon.
Yeah, so I'm saying, what is the escape velocity of me on the moon? How do I escape the moon's gravitational pull?
Oh, that's super easy. It's like
if I fired a bullet, would it reach Earth?
No. No. No.
Got pick?
Nah, maybe.
Ryan low, Ryan low.
Tracer bind, tracer bind.
Baby D low, nice.
Good shit, go. Tracer. Tracer down. Good shit, good shit.
Moira's here. Moira's feeding. She's behind us.
Shit, y'all.
Push on that.
Good. Let's go, go, go. Good on point. Oh my god.
I hope nobody saw that. Let's get you healed up.
Oh, and that cost your
Well,
ult.
defensive fair. Let's go. Alt.
Let's put. I mean, we have a lot of ults. Let's try and just take it on this one. I'm gonna go main because they're all watching top. Tracer behind. Tracer 1. I've got gold everything.
Except healing. Dude, I have gold
No,
healing.
I got bronze, which is better than gold for healing.
I've got gold healing at 3k. Oh shit. Good dash.
Oh, let's break it. Or is it just push on?
Tracer on point. More, get more.
I slept it right when you hear shot. We got this shit.
Good shots, crew.
Push on. Oh, let's break it. Damn!
Oh, that was a bad breaking down.
Yeah, only did it 1 second earlier. Okay. Nice.
They had one hell of a trickle defense, Jesus.
Right? The May wall.
I hooked, like, it feels so good hooking tracers because, like, it's so easy to dodge. I don't know why, they all just blink like fucking crazy the moment you look at them, though. So it's like, alright, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, boop!
You can actually, like, oh,
Punch
shit.
to fake.
No, if Tracer's watching your animation, she can blink before the animation as long as she doesn't have, like, more than 50 ping.
Oh, yeah, you mean,
Yeah,
yeah, it's...
run 7 you right heart. And that could pocket, right?
What do you guys want?
Question is,
Damage
we're
or
gonna need a
heals?
hit scan if they have a Pharah, or we're gonna need another healer.
I think we need a healer.
Yeah, go soldier. No, go soldier.
Okay.
Stay close with us, and you can drop a heal pack.
Sure.
It's good. Let's try to fight on point. Soldiers and drop the heal pack.
Stick to the plan. And if you get
I wish all of a sudden they just randomly started counting, like, pre-game stuff as into your accuracy, so everybody's, like, weapon accuracy just dropped by 1,000,000. So, if I shot at Earth from the moon, and it was assuming directly vertical, you don't think it'd make it?
I mean, it should.
Well, how much would I have to lead Earth by?
Probably not much. It would probably just get captured by the gravity.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but what if it got caught in orbit? Then you just have a bunch of things traveling at bullet speed in orbit around the Earth.
You mean,
Come back down, right?
dude, bullet speed is like slow.
I mean, for space, yeah.
It's a big ass.
And you can't orbit at bullet speed, and that's why bullets don't orbit.
We have a
Left side.
There's one.
Mine's low.
Behind us, Reaper.
Hey, Reaper. Bear in the middle.
Reaper down.
Good job.
Yeah, Sim's not gonna work.
I'm switching, so I just popped my ult.
This old dog's little few tricks.
Objective B.
That Bear good.
Heal up here.
Good job, guys.
Man, almost got a tick. Back up, Genji.
I cast this forth.
Yeah. I've tried to learn Orisa. You don't play Orisa like a frontline tank.
gonna nano you.
Oh my god. That was my fault.
For Dragon Blade, you have your. Oh,
I've got my ult when I come in.
My ultimate is ready.
Barrel low.
Ryan low, Ryan low.
oh shit! Long frame. Okay, you have your ult. Oh yeah.
Dumb.
Fire. Tactical visor ready for the
Nano
God, they
board.
still have a lot of time.
Shit. Oh, there.
Yeah, we still have ults, so.
Alright, my back high
My
ground.
ultimate is ready.
They went Ryan right. He's about to be on point.
Oh shit.
That was your nearest Urshot.
They do a 1. Maybe do.
Oh my god.
Alright, that's a pretty good stagger too.
I slept like Diva like 4 times. Did you come here for the game?
My ultimate is charging.
My blade is ready to be unleashed. Our point is under attack.
Diva on point.
Shit. I have gold damage now, by the way.
Yeah, you passed me.
Ah, so close.
Oh, we did better, so they attack again.
Should I play soldier again?
Prepare your defenses.
I'm gonna risk it again.
Select your hero.
We're all
How are you feeling with soldier?
I mean, good.
Are you doing a lot?
Accuracy is at like 50%. I've got gold damage after playing Lucio for the first round.
Nice. I generally don't like when people play Ana and we don't have a because people are not good enough with Ana to make her a main healer.
I don't think most people are good enough with Moira to make her a main healer.
Moira is the best. Moira is easily the easiest to play to be a main healer.
The problem is I feel
Moira
like
is
she's,
a
so,
way better.
she's such a trap, though. People are like, oh wow, like look at all this damage I can do. But whenever they're doing that damage, they're not healing.
Yeah, but she still has the highest out. She has the highest healing output in the game.
Alright, the first nano I
Like-
get, I'm gonna nano.
I don't think she's particularly hard to play.
No. Shit, I need to go. I'm gonna go sit up on high ground for a little bit. I will drop down from high ground. I just want to get some good first shots.
Yeah.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A. This is my will.
Ryan right by himself.
stop. Anyone need some healing?
Why is he going to right side?
I'm holding the Rhine.
Our Moira died. They're right on point.
Oh my god!
There's all over, but they got it. Just back up.
I'm gonna deal with that bear faster.
This old dog's learned a few tricks. Defend the point.
Can't hold it. Ryan's going around right. Care. He has ult probably.
You get what y'all that?
Bear one.
Oh fuck.
They got it. That's hella quick.
I'm gonna play soldier.
I'll play soldier.
Yeah, if you guys want to. God, you just can't deal. I couldn't deal with the fair that last round. I was kind of on the right hand side trying to hold the Reinhardt and Moira.
I'm gonna hog again.
Yeah, let's run 2 hit scans.
Yeah. I put my shield down right before she ulted, but my shield's not gonna keep me up. Well, also our diva just basically watched her ult and then wasn't like, oh, I can right click and it has pretty long range. It was more of like, nothing feels worse than having 4 golds and knowing you're about to drop down 2 gold.
Nah, I'm playing Moira, man. We're just gonna fucking snowball.
I'm just gonna give you ult. You're just gonna keep me up.
Here are you.
Dynamic duo. What pisses me off is this Jaeger guy was like talking shit, and I'm pretty sure he's the Moira who's dying every round, and it's like he was playing Moira, trading shots with a McCree at range. So it's like you do maybe 15 damage a second, he 2-taps you.
I'm coming
Like,
up. Oh god.
what were you doing,
I'm pouring coffee.
dude? You are our main healer. We cannot afford.
I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, Pharaoh was 1.
This will heal you. Repairing the damage.
Came on the tanks.
Pharaoh was 1 again.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Get the Pharah, dude.
Yeah, it's not so easy to kill a Pharah. Just saying, no, we'll go double deeps.
Perhaps a new methodology is required.
We're group up, guys. We're all spread out.
I hate when people say group up guys are all spread out, and it's like I haven't died yet, and I'm still like caught in the fight.
Discord or Pharaoh, getting her to 1.
Power of destruction.
You score, I'm fair. I can't fucking aim. I may just go. I may be forced to swap to McCree.
Whoever went left, why are you there?
Oh, or Pharaoh.
Just get in, get in, get in. I literally had the beam on you that whole time.
Yeah.
Dead.
Back and right, back and right.
This means he. Bitch.
They swapped to having a junk instead of a bastion.
Yeah, let's
Yep,
go.
no, that's a main now.
Go straight down the middle. Let's go, go.
Let's not go up right. There's a Mei there.
No, no, go down left.
Get into position.
Monkey on my butt, monkey on my butt. Alright, Genji, you gotta be careful. No, what's this?
Oh, that was dumb.
Okay, we have 3 DPS now? That's fine.
Do we
Who's up
have
there?
it? I can't heal you.
I'll use visor.
Oh, Winston. Got 2 counters too.
Do we just use ults and not go in?
There's a Reinhardt behind us.
Maze low, Maze. What the hell? How'd you all die?
Dude, their Reinhardt is so much better than ours. Not even because of that, just like...
Why are you calling out Zeus, bro? I don't get it.
All we gotta do is kill the fucking bear.
Not really.
Which I did.
Not you.